Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. In today's video, you will learn a new hula step, the slide, as well as verse 4, the last verse of Pua Mana. Let's begin with a warm-up of our hula basics.
Kilakila, Napenape malie.
Let's go ahead and review verses 1 through 3. Kilakila, Napenape malie. The new hula step is called the slide. Similar to the kaholo, we will open our right foot and drag or slide your left foot to close. The size of your step should be smaller than your kaholo. We're going to repeat this single step 4 times all the way through to the right and repeat it 4 times all the way through to the left. Now the pattern for verse 4, we will slide right 4 times, then left 4 times, and 2 sets of kaholo, right and left. Following your vamp, let's slide. Step right, slide, right, slide, right, slide, right, and close. Now left, slide, left, slide, left, slide, left, and close. Kaholo right and left. Repeat with one more set, right and left. Now here's your kaholo vamp, right and left. Now let's repeat that. Step right, slide, right, slide, right, slide, right, and close. Now left, slide, left, slide, left, slide, left, and close. Kaholo right and left. Repeat with one more set, right and left. For the ending, simply kaholo right and left once more. A single kaholo right. Complete your step, step back on your left, and point your right foot. Now let's try it in real time with the music. The Hawaiian lyric for verse 4. Ha'ina. Ia mai ka puana. Ku'uhome I Lahaina. I piha me ka hau'oli. Vamp on the right and the left. Ha'ina. Told is the refrain. Left on hip, right at mouth, wave, and out to the side, and repeat. Ia mai ka puana, for my beloved home. Reverse, right on your hip, left mouth and out 2 times. Ku'uhome I Lahaina, my home, with trees and much rustling, right up and left open. I piha me ka hau'oli, happiness and joy, both out to your sides and embrace. Then open up and back out to sides. Let's repeat that with our vamp to the right and the left. Tell of the refrain. left on hip, right mouth and out 2 times. And reverse, right on hip, left mouth and out 2 times. Both at self, show your home and your land, right up, left open. Out to sides, bring in to embrace, and open out. End with your vamp, right and left. Let's practice hands and feet together, first in slow motion. Kaholo, right and left. Here's your slide and mouth and out. Mouth and out. Reverse, mouth and out. Mouth and out. Kaholo, my home. Lahaina, right up, left open. Embrace and open out. Mahalo for tuning in today to iHula Hawaii and allowing me to share the story of Pua Mana with you. Please give a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, subscribe, and click the bell to receive notifications. Until we see each other again, ahui ho and aloha!